Hey Wyoming, we're excited to officially kick off Project Blueprint, our journey to build the next community designed home built right here in Cheyenne, Wyoming. This is where community and creativity come together to shape what home really means. Just like we did in Eastern Idaho with the Elk Mountain Model, we're turning to you, our neighbors, our families, our friends, to help us bring this vision to life. Over the coming weeks, we'll be asking you for your input through surveys, social media polls, and community conversations. We want to know what matters most to you, the way your family gathers, the features that make everyday living easier, and the spaces that make a house truly feel like a home. This isn't just about building another model. It's about building a reflection of the Wyoming lifestyle. Every idea, every vote, and every comment helps us shape a design that fits the way you live, work, and connect with your families and friends. We can't wait to see what we create together. Follow along on social media, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and take part in the survey link below. Your feedback will guide us every step of the way as we discover and design the new Elk Mountain Model, a home built with you, for you, right here in Cheyenne's Bell Pasture community. I'm Joe Kilpack with New Peak Homes. Let's build something amazing together. Welcome to Project Blueprint.